सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वंदे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम्। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। चतुर्सप्तत्युत्तर 300तमी कक्षा 374th क्लास टुडे। वयं संक्षेप रामायणं पठन्तः अग्रेसरामः। एतावत् पर्यन्तं कति श्लोकाः श्रीनिवास? 12 न 5 चतुर्विंशति श्लोकाः एतावत् पर्यन्तं पठिताः अस्माभिः। 24 अधिका न सार्ध पंचविंशति श्लोकाः, सार्ध पंचविंशति श्लोकाः। षड्विंशतितमः श्लोकः पूर्णतया न पठितः, अर्धः श्लोकः पठितः। अतः सार्ध पंचविंशति श्लोकाः एतावत् पर्यन्तं शतकात् शतं श्लोकेषु एतावन्तः श्लोकाः पठिताः अस्माभिः। कुत्र वयं स्थापितवन्तः? वेयर वी स्टॉप्ड? 86 पेज। यस।
विनतः सुमित्रानन्ददायकः प्रियः भ्राता लक्ष्मणः स्नेहवशीभूतः वनं गच्छन्तं रामम् अनुसृतवान्।
विनतः विनम्रः विनतः सुमित्रानन्ददायकः, सुमित्रा आनंददायकः, the most disciplined, obedient and the delighter of Sumitra. Sumitra Anandavardhakah, Vardhanah, Priyaha, very dear, Bhrata, brother, Lakshmana, Sneha Vashibhutaha, being overpowered by love and affection. Snehena Vashibhutaha, Sneha Vashibhutaha, Premna Vashibhutaha, Lakshmana, Vanam गच्छन्तं ज्येष्ठं भ्रातरं रामम् अनुसृतवान्। अन्वगच्छत्, अनुसृतवान् नाम अन्वगच्छत्। रामं ज्येष्ठं भ्रातरम् अन्वगच्छत्, अनुसृतवान्, followed. So this is the qualification, description of Lakshmana, his loving brother. Well, we have already explained. You can see the English translation also. Nidarshanam Srinivas.
व्याकरणं सन्धिः प्रियो भ्राता प्रियः
सन्धि द्वयमेव। प्रियो भ्राता प्रियः भ्राता विसर्ग सन्धि। दट इज लक्ष्मणो अनुजगाम, अनुजगाम अगेन विसर्ग सन्धि। उभयत्रापि विसर्ग सन्धिः। लक्ष्मणः अनुजगाम, अनुजगाम नाम अनुसृतवान्, अन्वगच्छत् इति। ख समासः।
विनय संपन्नः, विनयेन संपन्नः तृतीय तत्पुरुषः।
So vinaya sampanna, vidya sampanna. How do you tell vidya sampanna? Vidya, not vidyena sampanna. Vidya shabda is akaradha strilinga, therefore vidyaya sampanna. Tapo sampanna, tapasa sampanna. Tapas shabda sakaranta. Tapasa sampanna, vidya sampanna. एवं अत्र विनय संपन्नः, गुणयुक्तः।
गुणेन युक्तः तृतीय तत्पुरुषः।
न एकेन गुणेन, गुणैः युक्तः, गुणयुक्तः अपि भवितुम् अर्हति। यू कैन आल्सो हैव दिस विग्रह वाक्य, गुणैः युक्तः। न केवलम् एकः गुणः भवति चेत् तत्र कीदृशं वैशिष्ट्यं भवति पुरुषे? बहवः गुणाः भवेयुः पुरुषे, अतः गुणैः युक्तः। But why the book is giving gunena? Ekena gunena, no. Gunaihi yuktah, gunayuktah. Okay. Tritiya tatpurusha. Even if you take the gunaihi, also it is tritiya tatpurusha. Whether it is gunena or gunabhyam or gunaihi, same thing. Sumitrananda.
आनन्दस्य वर्धनः आनन्दवर्धनः षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः। सुमित्रायाः आनन्दवर्धनः
सुमित्रानन्दवर्धनः। Both ways it is षष्ठी तत्पुरुष। आनन्दस्य वर्धनः आनन्दवर्धनः, There is one writer, Anandavardhana also, Sanskrit writer, Alankarika. Next, Ga.
कृदन्तः व्रजन्तं
व्रज इति धातुः शत्रु प्रत्ययान्तम् अत् इति शत्रुतः किम् अवशेषं भवति तत्र अत् इति भवति. शत्रु participle at remains, so vrajat, that is the pratipadika given there. And when you take it to derive in pullinga, vrajan, vrajantau, vrajantaha, gachan, gachantau, gachantaha, vrajantam, gachantam, etc. Next, anu,
अनुदर्शयन् अनुप्यस्
drush iti dhatu asti, drush pash, darshani, shatru again. Anudarshayan. Then Vardhana. Vradha iti dhatu. Lyuhu. Kartari lyu. Present. Vardhayati iti Vardhana. One who increases is an increaser. Lyu already we have come across. Yes.
प्रियः प्रि प्लस का
Ka, from ka, igupada, gna,
पी किरा
pri, kiraha, kaha. So some sutra is given. Igupada. So accordingly that you get ka, from ka you get akara only remaining. Priyaha.
सौभ्रात्रं सुभ्रातृ प्लस अण भावी
Sru, su, bhratru, an. Bhave in abstract sense, sau, bhratram, goodness. Sau, bhratram, brotherhood, that is. An, bhave. Okay.
कोशः विनयः विनयो धर्म विद्या
Vidyartha Sikshachara Prashantishu Vaijayanti Kosha. Vinaya is discipline, also education it means. Dharma Vidyartha Sikshachara Prashantishu. In these senses, they are all Vinaya is. Vinaya means Dharma Vidyartha. Dharma Vidyartha Siksha. Dharma Vidya. One. Vidyartha, Dharma Vidya, Artha Siksha, Achara Prashantishu, Vidyartha, Dharma Vidyartha. Okay, you take one word, Dharma Vidyartha, in the sense of Dharma Vidya, and Siksha Achara, and also in education, Prashantishu, and also in composing, disciplining, Prashantishu. Eteshu Arteshu Vinayah iti. Okay, next.
लक्ष्मणः लक्ष्मीवान् लक्ष्मणः श्रीमान्.
These are synonym, Paryaya Pata means synonym words. Lakshmivan, Lakshmanaha, Shriman, all the three meaning same. So Paryaya Pata, this is synonym words given there. This is the kosha. Idanim abhyasaha trayo dashamah. Slokaha, sloka sardha, eka sloka. Panchavimshati slokaha, षड्विंशति श्लोकः अपि केवलम् अर्धं वर्तते तत्र. या सम्बद्धं योजयत मैच तं भ्रातरं प्रियः
लक्ष्मणः
I think bhrata ka bhrata priyah bhrata. You can see the bhavartha also, no? Priyah bhrata, dear brother. So second with ka. Next.
Bhrata Lakshmana.
Bhrata Lakshmana. That is three gha. Sau bhratram. Anudarshayan ga. Sau bhratram anudarshayan. And finally, bhratuhu daitaha. Dear to his brother. So, I will repeat. One is there, second is ka, third is gha, fourth is ga, fifth is nya. Okay? Priyaha bhrata, bhrata lakshmanaha, sau bhratram anudarshayan, bhratuhu daitaha iti pratamamshaha. Sampanna. Dvitiyamsha, Shabdartho Meleyata. Now you match the word with its meaning. Anujagama means already given. Anujayau went, followed. Anudarshayan. Acharan. So second gha. Second joins with gha. Anu darshayan acharan. Tritiya amsha daitaha. Daitaha priyaha. So kha. 3 kha Srinivas. 4 vrajantam. Gachantam ga. Vrajantam gachantam ga. 4th one saubhratram. Subhratru bhavam iti pratamah ka. So we repeat anudarshayan 2 matches with gha acharan. Daitaha kha priyaha. Vrajantam gachantam ga. Saubhratram, the first one ka. Subhratru bhavam. This is it. And then we move on to third one. Yathodaharanam vakyantaram purayata. Okay, what is one example is given, Srinivas. Read. Bhrata.
Bhrata Lakshmana Vrajantam Bhrataram Anujagama. Vrajat.
So the Pratipadika's base forms are given in brackets there, which are used there as an example given. Na? Vrajat is used in Vrajantam Dvitiya. Bhratru Shabda also used in Dvitiya Ekavachana. Bhrataram, isn't it? So like that, now you take second one. Tam.
Putram. Tam Vrajantam Putram Dvaipayanaha.
Ajuhava. Ajuhava. Ajuhava means called. Who? Hwe to call. Ahvayati. You know the word hwe, ahvayati, ahvana. From that it is. Tam vrajantam putram dvaipayanaha ajuhava. Dvaipayana called that son who was going, that going son. Dvaipayana called that going son or that son who was going. Ajuhavana ahutavan. Tam vrajantam putram ahutavan dvaipayana. Okay?
Sir.
3. Tam
Kathayantam
Gurum Chhatraha Susrava. Tam Kathayantam Gurum Chhatraha Susrava means heard. The student heard that teacher who was speaking. The student heard the teacher who was speaking. Tam Kathayantam Gurum Chhatraha Susrava nama Ashrunot. Shrutavan. Ashrunata Shrutavan. Shrutavan iti. So, Kathayantam Gurum. 4.
Tam Pruchantam Shishyam Guruhu Prabodhayama.
Okay. The teacher taught the student, teacher taught that student who was asking. Or teacher taught the student asking student also. I don't think English there will be a mistake. Teacher taught the asking student, no. The student who asked. Tam pruchantam chatram shishyam, shishyam guruhu bodhayamasa abodayat. 4, 5.
Sitam apaharantam ravanam jatayuhu avarodham ayatata.
Avarodhum ayatata. Sitam apaharantam Ravanam. Ravana who was kidnapping Sita, who was carrying away Sita. Jatayu tried to obstruct Avarodhum. Jatayu tried to obstruct, prevent. Jatayu tried to prevent Sita, who was Ravana. Jatayu tried to prevent Ravana or obstruct Ravana, who was carrying away Sita. Sitam apaharantam Ravanam avarodhum. So, need we write?
No.
Huh? I will repeat again. Second, vrajantam putram, kathayantam gurum, tam pruchantam shishyam, ante sitam apaharantam ravanam, pruchantam shishyam, kathayantam gurum, vrajantam putram. Again, we have gone from bottom to up. So that way you use here Shatru Pratyayant. Chaturtha Hamsha, Kshamyatam, Yathodaharanam, Visheshyanugunam, Shatrantasya Rupam Ligata. Now again Shatru Pratyayanta practice is here as per the noun. Okay. For example, Vrajat is given there and Vrajantam. Here, not one with. Now, what is the difference between the previous point and this point, Srinivas? In the previous, there is only Dvitiya. 4 we have done in Dvitiya, like Lakshmana. Vrajantam Putram, Srinivas. Kathayantam Gurum, Pruchantam Shishyam, Apaharantam Ravanam. Everywhere Dvitiya Ekavachana is there. Now here jumbled up.
Yes, sir.
Not one case. You have to be carefully doing that. So, Pratham, one udaharana is given, Vrajat. Now, Vrajat is put in Dvitiya on what basis? Bhrataram. Bhrataram is Dvitiya, therefore Vrajantam Bhrataram Lakshmanaha Anu Jagama. Lakshmana followed the brother who was going. Next you take up. Patat.
Pathantam Shishyam
Guruhu Patayat. Teacher teaches the student who is reading. Patantam Shishyam. Shishyam is Dvitiya, therefore Patantam, you are right. Then third one. Here you have to pause and think a little. Patayat. Now this is not Patat. See the difference between Patat and Patayat. Patat is just a regular Shatru. Patayat is Shatru with causal sense, Nich Prayoga. Understand? First one is reading, second one is making reading, making the student read. So, that is Adhyapakena is Trutiya, therefore the Patayat should be Trutiya. How? Now you very conveniently did the 4, 5 so far. Patantam Shishyam, very easy. If it is Patayat, Adhyapakena Chatraha Prushtaha. I will give you the meaning, first you can understand. Chatraha Prushtaha. Student was asked. By whom? Adhyapakena, by the teacher. What type of teacher? Who was teaching? The student was asked by the teacher who was teaching. So, Adhyapakena Pathayata. If you remember, what is the derivation now? You come back, just spend some time, 1 minute. Patan, Patantau, Patantaha. Patantam, Patataha. Trutiya, Pathata, Patata. Patadbhyam, Patadbihi. Pathate, Patadbhyam, Patadbhyaha. Pathataha, Patadbhyam, Patadbhyaha. Again, Pathataha, Patatoho, Patatam. Pathati. It looks like Latlakara, Pathati. Should not be mistaken for Patati, Patataha, Patanti. Pathati, Patatoho, Patatsu. In Shatru. So here, Patayat is there, na? Patayata Adhyapaka. That's it. Pathayata Adhyapakena Shishyaha Prushtaha. Got it?
Yes.
So if you remember that, we have done that exercise long back. So what we study long back goes not away. Okay, fourth. Shrunvat Sishyaya. Chaturthi is coming here. Shrunvat Sishyaya Dakshinam Dehi. Means, first let us tell the meaning, tell you the meaning. Dakshina. Give Dakshina to the student who is listening. Not guru to the student. Some gift like dakshina means give some dakshina gift to the student who is sincerely listening, like. That is the meaning, isn't it? So srunvat, in the same way, chaturthi. Now we have just done patat. Patan, patantam, patata. What is chaturthi? Patate. Patate. So srunvate. Srunvate chhatraya dakshinam dehi. You give a gift to the student who is listening. Understand? So what is the derivation here? Srunvate. Srunvate. This we will write on the board, no doubt. 4, 5, Srinivas. Dhavat ashwat bhataha patati. Policeman, a soldier or a cop falls from a running horse. Angla bhashayam evam artha bhavati. A cop or a policeman or a soldier falls from a running horse. Ashwat Panchami. So we are coming Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami now in a order.
Panchami and Shashti both are same also.
Yes.
Dhavataha.
Dhavataha. That's it. Dhavataha. Patataha. We just recalled. Na? Dhavataha Ashwat. No, you can't say Dhavat Ashwat. No. Dhavataha Ashwat Bhataha Patati. A soldier falls from a running horse. Good. Then what is the sixth? Pruchat mama kaha doshaha. What is the fault of me who I am asking? What is my fault in asking? That is the sense there. So mama is Shashti. What Shabda? Mama is from which pronoun? Not a base. Base is not aham. Asmad. Asmad Shabda. Dakaranta Asmad Shabda. Trishulingeshu samanaha. Opposite Yushmad Tvam. And what is the opposite of mama? Quite tava. 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 Mama. Tava. So Pruchat. So put same way. Pruchataha. Pruchataha mama kaha doshaha. What is the mistake of me asking? Pruchataha. Then 7. Gachat bracket janasya. Again Shashti. Janasya skalanam api pramadataha sambhavati. That means by default, man who is going, there is some faltering also. Pramadaha sambhavati means some fault takes place of a man who is going. Gachato skalanam. Skalanam means a man who is going. When we move, there is a possibility of our stumbling on the way. So to say, any man who is living is bound to make some mistake. Gachato skalanam, meaning everybody has to stumble. Similarly, everybody will commit some mistake in life. That is. Okay. Again.
Saptami, Gachati.
No, why is Saptami? Janasya. Shashti again. Gachataha. Again same. Like Pruchataha above, here Gachataha Janasya Skalanam api Pramadataha. By mistake, accidentally it takes place. Sambhavati. 7.
Karyam kurvat janaha Ishwaram bhajeran.
Bhajeran. That means people who are doing the work should worship God. Ishwaram bhajeran. Bhajeta bhajeyatam bhajeran. This is Atmanepadi Vidhiling Bahuvachana, Srinivas. If you remember Labhadhatu or Ramadhatu. Rameta, Lava is better. Labheta labheyatam labheran. That means people who are doing the work should worship Ishwar, God. Ishwaram bhajeran. Bhaja, I think Bhaja Shabda is Ubhayapadi, if I remember. Then you can put it in Parasmayapad also. Bhajeyuhu. It can be Bhajeyuhu Srinivas. You have na Bhajami and also Bhaje. Bhaje and also Bhajami. So what is the, now your clue is Janaha is which case? Which vibhakti? Janaha iti shabdaha kasyam vibhakto asti? Na prathama bahuvachanam. So this kurvat should be prathama bahuvachanam. Understand? Since yatohi janaha iti shabdaha prathama vibhakto bahuvachane asti, kurvat iti Shatrupratyantamaphi prathamayam bahuvachane syat. How can it be? Kurvan, go to Gachan. Gachantaha, prathama. Gachataha is dvitiya bahuvachana. So what do you do? Kurvantaha. Kurvantaha janaha, karyam kurvantaha janaha, Ishwaram bhajeyuhu or bhajeran. Got it? Kurvantaha, karyam. Kim kurvantaha? Karyam kurvantaha. Okay. And finally, Dashamaha.
Valmikim Naradaha Uvacha. Valmikim.
Oh, ninth one. Acha. Pruchat Valmikim. This is Dvitiya. Naradaha Uvacha. Narada told to Valmiki who was asking. So, Pruchantam Valmikim Naradaha Uvacha. Narada told to Valmiki who was asking. Pruchantam. Iti Navama. Dashama.
Hanumantam Surasa Rakshasi Uktavati.
So some, yes.
Gachantam.
Gachantam Hanumantam. So both are rhyming. Purposely given this Hanumantam Shabda. Otherwise Anjaneyam could have been given. Anjaneya Shabda could have been given, na? Hanumantam is given to rhyme with Gachantam, both to show that. Gachantam Hanumantam Surasa Nama Rakshasi Uktavati. Rakshasi by name Surasa told. So these have to be, compulsorily written out. Good exercise. So that you remember what was studied long back. Don't forget.
Adhyasa 13. Sayodasha. Part 4.
Part 4.
Yeah. One is already given. Roman 2. Small Roman 2. Pathantam. Dash. Rest is already given.
Okay. 3.
पाठयता अध्यापकेन छात्रः.
Everything is follows. Next 4.
शृण्वते शिष्याय दक्षिणाते. शृण्वते
शिष्या है. Okay.
धावतः अश्वात् भटः.
6.
पृच्छतः मम कः दोषः. पृच्छतः मम कः दोषः. 7. गच्छतः जनस्य स्खलनमपि प्रमादतः
संभवति.
Dash. Dash.
Acha, what is the word given there? Karyam.
जनाः ईश्वरं भजन्ते. कुर्वन्तः. Dash. 9. पृच्छन्तं वाल्मीकिं नारदः उवाच. पृच्छन्तं.
Dash.
No dash. First पृच्छन्तं. गच्छन्तं हनुमन्तं सुरसा राक्षसी उक्तवती.
Just read once.
पठन्तं पाठयता
शृण्वते
धावतः पृच्छतः गच्छतः
कुर्वन्तः पृच्छन्तं. So patantam dvitiyantam, pathayata tritiyantam, shruण्वते चतुर्थी, धावतः पंचमी, पृच्छतः षष्ठी, गच्छतः षष्ठी, कुर्वन्तः प्रथमा बहुवचनम, पृच्छन्तं द्वितीया एकवचनम, गच्छन्तं द्वितीयांतम. So these are matching with the nouns that are following there. So watch carefully and derive. चतुर्थ अंशः संपन्नः. पंचमांशः मंजूषायां प्रदत्तैः शब्दैः यथोचितं रिक्तं स्थानं पूरयेत्. Fill in the blanks, universe. Now what are given? अनुजगाम दयितः व्रजन्तं अनुदर्शयन्. So simple exercise. Fifth one. विनय संपन्नः सुमित्रानंदवर्धनः भ्रातुः dash. What will you pick? No. Bhratuhu. What is following? Priyaha. Dayitaha. That's it. So first blank. Dayitaha priyaha. Bhrata Lakshmanaha snehat saubhratram anudarshayan. Saubhratram anudarshayan tam vrajantam bhrataram anujagama. This is it. So first blank dayitaha, second blank anudarshayan, third vrajantam anujagama. Very simple. This is, isn't it? So panchama shashtaha. Shashtamshaha prashnottaram yathochitam yojayata. Now join question with its right answer. Kaha vanam avrajat. Who went to the forest? Ramaha. Iti tatra udaharanam dattamasti. Now second one.
Kaha ramam anujagama.
Kaha ramaha. Kaha ramam anujagama. Who followed Rama?
Lakshmanaha ramam anujagama.
No, your answer is only Lakshmanaha. That's all. Kaha Lakshmanaha. Acha, you are saying fully. Kaha ramam anujagama Lakshmanaha ramam anujagama. So ka, 2 ka, 3. Sumitranandavardhanaha kasya visheshanam. Lakshmanasya. Sumitranandavardhanaha Lakshmanasya visheshanam. So Lakshmanasya ka. 4. Lakshmanaha kim anudarshitavan. What did Lakshmana show? Saubhratram. Yes. Lakshmanaha kim, take out kim. Saubhratram anudarshitavan. 5. Lakshmanaha kam anujagama. Whom did Lakshmana follow? Ramam. Lakshmanaha ramam anujagama. Whom did he follow? He followed Rama. So very simple, I think. This is, second one is ka. That is Lakshmanaha. Third one is kasya is Lakshmanasya. Fourth is Nya, Lakshmana kim, Saubhratram. And fifth one, Lakshmana kam Ramam. Gha. So, evam abhyasaha susampannaha asti. Idanim sloka avaseshaha slokaha, sloka ardhabagaha patyatam idanim.
Bhrataram dayito bhratuhu saubhratramudarshayam. Ramasya dayita bharya nityam pranasamahita. Janakasya kule jata devamaeva nirmita. Sarvalakshana sampanna narinam uttama vudhuh. Sita pyanugata ramam shashinam rohini yatha.
So अष्टविंशतितम श्लोकस्य अर्ध भागः अवशेषः वर्तते अनुवर्तते. It follows. रामस्य पदच्छेदम् I will do. दयिता भार्या नित्यं प्राणसमाहिता. जनकस्य कुले जाता. Very simple word. देवं देवमाया इव निर्मिता. सर्वलक्षण संपन्ना नारीणाम उत्तमा वधूः सीता अपि अनुगता रामं शशिनं रोहिणी यथा. पदपरिचय श्रीनिवास.
What is Vadhu?
Huh? Uttama Vadhuh, bride.
Uka.
Ukaranta Strilinga. Ukaranta, not Ukaranta. Ukar. Vadhuh, Vadhvau, Vadhvaha.
पदपरिचयः. रामस्य आकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग षष्ठी एकवचनं.
दयिता
दयिता आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग प्रथमा एकवचनं.
भार्या
आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग प्रथमा एकवचनं.
नित्यम.
अव्ययम्.
I will read, you try to give. Prana Sama
आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग प्रथमा
एकवचन. हिता अकारांत स्त्रीलिंग. जनकस्य अकारांत पुल्लिंग षष्ठी. कुले
कुले.
अकारांत नपो. There is a mistake here. Kula Shabda is Napumsakalinga. Pullinga is given in the book. Akaranta Napumsakalinga Saptami Ekavachana. Jata. This is a verb but used as Visheshana. So Akaranta Strilinga Shabda, that is what the book gives. Deva Maya Akaranta Strilinga Iva Avyayam. Avyayam. Nirmita Akaranta Strilinga. But originally it is Ktanta. Nirmita. Okay. Sarvalakshana Sampanna. Again Akaranta Strilinga Prathama Ekavachanam. Samastam Padam. Narinam. What Shabda? Anta. Ikaranta Strilinga Shashti Bhagavachanam. Uttama Akaranta Strilinga. Again Vadhuhu. Ukaranta Strilinga Prathama Ekavachanam. Sita Akaranta Strilinga. Api Avyayam. Anugata Akaranta Strilinga Prathama Ekavachanam. Shashinam. It is not Ikaranta. Nakaranta. Shashin. Shashi, Shashinau, Shashinaha. Shashinam, Shashinau, Shashina. So, Nakaranta, Pumlinga, Dvitiya, Ekavachanam, Shashinam. We studied Gunin, Guni, Guninau, Guninaha, Guninam, Shashinam. Then Rohini, Ikaranta Strilinga, Prathama Ekavachanam. Yatha. No, Avyayam. Avyayam, it is not Akara. Yatha, Avyayam. Tatha, Yatha, Yada, Tada, etc. Okay, fine. You are passed in the test. Akanksha, no. Jata. Ka Jata. Who was born? Sita was born. Sa Kasya Kule Jata. In whose family was she born? She was born in the family of Janaka. Sa Kasya Bharya. Whose wife was she? She was the wife of Rama. Sa Ramasya Kidrushi Bharya. What type of wife was she of Rama? Pranasama. So there are three adjectives used for. She was the dear, favorite, you can say dear, always, like his life, and very hita, very, what do you say, hitacha bharya, a well-wisher, well-wishing wife. She was a well-wisher. Dayita is a Priya. Okay. Sita ka iva nirmita. How like what was Sita made of? Sita Deva Maya iva nirmita. This Deva Maya is the name of a Apsara also, Tilottama. Some people identify with Tilottama, most beautiful lady, or Mahamohini avatar, that Vishnu takes the Mahamohini avatar. Like that Sita is compared. So Mahamohini Deva Maya Iva Nirmita. She was created like the Mohini. Then, Mahamohini, Vishnu had to take that Mohini Rupa to during the Amrita Manthan to attract the Rakshasas. No, Amruta Manthan only, ocean.
Acha.
Even then she took. Bhasmasura also she took, yes. To attract the Rakshasas. So either she is comparable with Tilottama or the Mahamohini. That is. Then Sita Kidrushi Vaduhu. What type of bride was Sita?
Sita
Narinam.
Uttama Vadhu.
She was the best bride among the women. Then Tadrushi Sita Kam Anugata. Such a Sita followed whom? Whom did such a Sita follow?
Sita Ramam Anugata.
Sita followed Rama. Sita Ramam Kamiva Anugata. How did Sita follow Rama like?
Sita Ramam Tatha Anugata Yatha Rohini Shashinam Anugata.
Sita followed Rama in such a way as Rohini, the wife of Chandra, moon, follows. Rohini follows Chandra, Shashinam. So like that, wherever Shashi goes, there goes Rohini. Like that, wherever Rama went, Sita followed. That is the Akanksha. Idanim Anvayartha. Srinivas, Patat.
जनकस्य कुले जाता देवमाया इव निर्मिता रामस्य दयिता नित्यं प्राणसमाहिता भार्या सर्वलक्षण संपन्ना नारीणाम् उत्तमा वधूः सीता अपि यथा शशिनं रोहिणी तथा रामम् अनुगता.
Janakasya Kule Jata, born in the family of Janaka, Devamaya Iva, like Devamaya explained earlier, Nirmita, she was made, Utpanna, she was born like that, and Ramasya Dayita, she was a very dear wife of Rama, Nityam Pranasama, she was always like his life itself, Hita Bharya, very, very, what do you say, a very friendly wife, Bharya, Sarvalakshana Sampanna, endowed with all the good qualities in her. Narinam Uttama Vadhu, she was the best bride among the women. Sita Api Yatha Shashinam Rohini Ramam Anugata. And that Sita followed Rama like Rohini, the wife of Chandra, follows Chandra. So that is the here. Okay, we have Padartha, I think, Srinivas.
जनकस्य कुले
Mithila Nrupasya Vamshi in Utpanna. Jata means Utpanna, born.
देवमाया इव
Mohini Iva, Mohini ke Saman. Like Lord's wonderful potency. So, well, in English, that is one of the potency of Mahavishnu, Mahamohini.
निर्मिता
Nirmita, Kruta. So, we can say made or manifested is also okay. Manifested by the Lord himself. Ramasya Dayita,
राम प्रिया
Rama Priya, Nityam Sarvada Avyayam, both are ever. Prana Sama, Prana Tulya, Pranaihi Sama. If you explain the Vigraha Vakya, Pranaihi Sama, Pranaihi Tulya, Hita, Hitakarini, Bharya, Patni, Jaya, Bharya, Patni, Jaya, I think Kosha may be given. Sarvalakshana Sampanna, Shubhalakshano endowed with all good qualities, auspicious qualities. Narinam, Strinam, Uttama, Jeshtha, Vadhu, Jeshtha. Uttama, Sreshta is okay. Sreshta. Vadhu, Snusha. Snusha means daughter-in-law. Another, Snushaham Kosalendrasya. Like that. Dasharathasya. Snushaham Dasharathasya. I am the daughter-in-law of Dasharatha. Sita api, Janaki api. Rohini, no other wife of moon. Shashinam Yatha, Chandram Iva. Ramam Anugata, Ramam Anuyata, Anugata, Anuyata. Anusrutavati, Ramam Anusrutavati. So the meaning is like Bhavartha only you have to read.
जनक कुलोत्पन्ना मोहिनी इव स्थिता नारीणां श्रेष्ठा वधूः सर्वगुण संपन्ना रामस्य प्रिया भार्या सीता च यथा रोहिणी चंद्रम तथा रामम अनुजगाम.
सीता च यथा रोहिणी चंद्रम अनुसरति अनुगच्छति तथा रामम अनुजगाम इति। जनककुलोत्पन्ना मोहिनी इव स्थिता नारीणां श्रेष्ठा। Think very simple. The best of the women born in the family of Janaka, Vaduhu Sarvaguna Sampanna with all good qualities. Ramasya Priya, dear wife, Priya Bharya, Sita, Priya, the dear wife of Rama. Sita Yatha was like, followed Rama like Rohini follows Chandra. So the meaning, translation they can read. इदानीं व्याकरणांश निदर्शनं श्रीनिवास।
व्याकरणं सन्धिः देवमायेव देवमायाप्यस्यैव
वेरी सिंपल देवमायेव देवमाया इव गुण
सीतापि सीताप्यस्यपि सवर्णदीर्घसन्धि सीताप्यनुगता सीतापि अनुगता यणादेशसन्धि
सीता अपि अनुगता अनुगता सीताप्यनुगता यणादेश ओके ख समासः प्राणसमा
प्राणैः समा प्राणसमा तृतीयपुरुषः सर्वलक्षणसम्पन्नः
सर्वाणि च तानि
लक्षणानि सर्वलक्षणानि कर्मधारयः सर्वलक्षणैः सम्पन्नः सर्वलक्षणसम्पन्नः तृतीय तत्पुरुषः।
दिस इज तृतीय तत्पुरुष। फर्स्ट कर्मधारय एंड एंडिंग अप इन तृतीय तत्पुरुष। देन देवमाया
देवानां माया देवमाया षष्ठी तत्पुरुष।
सो देवमाया योगमाया we also say Yogamaya in Bhagavata. Yogamaya. Gita also says that Naham Prakashah Sarvasya Yogamaya Samavritah. Krishna says in Gita, Naham Prakashah Sarvasya. I am not visible to everyone. God is not visible to everyone because Yogamaya Samavritah. I am covered by my Yogamaya. So fools don't understand that. So atheists can't understand, Nastikas. So Yogamaya, this is Devamaya, same thing Yogamaya. Karakam, only one Karaka.
Narinam uttama vadhuhu nirdharane
Shashti.
yatascha nirdharanam.
That is a sutra. Yatascha nirdharane. Yatascha nirdharanam. Iti Panini Sutra is there. This is second Ashtadhyayi 2.3.24 sorry 2.3.41 sutra yatascha nirdharanam. So in this sutra Srinivas we put either shashti or saptami. For example here narinam uttama vadhuhu nirdharane shashti we said na. Saptami can also be used here. Narishu uttama. For example Gavam, there is one example given in the grammar books. Gavam Goshuva, Gavam Goshu. Gavam is Shashti, Go Shabda. Bahuvachana, Shashti Bahuvachana. Gavam, Goshu is Saptami. Va Krishna Bahukshira. Krishna Gauhu, black cow. Krishna Gauhu, Gavam Bahukshira athava Goshu Bahukshira. It gives more milk. The black cow among the cows, the black among the cows gives more milk. Bahukshira. Bahukshiram dadati iti Bahukshira. So, Gavam athava Goshu. Either Shashti. So, that is Yatascha Nirdharanam. That is the sutra there. Next. Dambhe Krupayam. So some kosha is quoted. Maya means Maya. Damba means deceit, deception. Damba. Dambikaha. The word Dambika comes from this. And Krupayam. Krupa also Maya. Finally Krupa also made Maya here. Ishvara Krupa. Krupayam cha kosha. All these are used in the same sense. We say na Ishvara Krupa means Maya only. You think it is Ishvara Krupa. It looks Maya, Dambe, Krupa. Krupayam cha kosha. Okay, next. Vaduhu.
Achirodha
अचिरोढ़ा तो वधूः वैजयंती कोश अचिरोढ़ा जस्ट मैरिड न्यूली मैरिड अचिरात अचिर अचिर कालात पूर्वम ऊढ़ा ऊढ़ा मीन्स मैरिड ऊढ़ा मीन्स मैरिड वुमन ऊढ़ मीन्स मैरिड मैन श्रीनिवास वह देयर इज वन धातु वह उद्वह उद्वाह पत्रिका you understand wedding card what is wedding card called udvaha patrika udvahati udvaha patrika means wedding card so from vaha uda comes this ktanta so what is this achira udha achiroda tu vadhu vadhu means just newly married amara kosha next yatha तथैवैवं साम्ये they are all same यथा तथा एवं यथा तथा एवं these are all used in the same sense Srinivas तथा इव तथैव तत एव तत एव एवं एवं तथैवैवं yes you split it tatha plus eva evam eva and evam four are there yatha tata eva evam samanarthe samye means in all sense so what is avadheya here saptamyaha cha vishay that is what I meant you can put it in either shashti or in saptami gavam goshu वेदानां सामवेदोस्मि वेदेषु सामवेदोस्मि बट गीता इज देन वेदानां सामवेदोस्मि अभ्यासः अनुवर्तते प्रथमांशः सम्बद्धं यथोचितं योजयत यस देवमाया इव निर्मिता जनकस्य तु जनकस्य अच्छा you have to take 93 page
जनकस्य
ग कुले जाता ग या जनकस्य goes with ग कुले जाता या यथा रोहिणी शशिनम रिस्क त्रिख फोर क नारीणाम उत्तमा वधु क नारीणाम उत्तमा वधूः 5 सीता अपि अनुगता जस्ट राइट ऑपोजिट सीता अपि अनुगता रामम 6th रामस्य दयिता भार्या दैट इज आल्सो राइट ऑपोजिट च सो आई थिंक दिस इज वेरी सिंपल जनकस्य यथा रोहिणी शशिनम नारीणाम उत्तमा वधूः सीता अपि अनुगता रामम रामस्य दयिता भार्या द्वितीयांशः शब्दार्थौ योजयत नाउ यू जॉइन द मीनिंग्स ट्राई श्रीनिवास दयिता प्रेयसी भार्या इज पत्नी यस अनुगता अनुयाता उत्तमा श्रेष्ठा नारीणाम स्त्रीणाम abba very very simple anybody can do this I suppose only daita which is a bit this given bharya anugata anuyata uttama श्रेष्ठा नारीणाम स्त्रीणाम okay gha gna kha ka प्रश्नोत्तरं योजयत now match the answers सीता कस्य दयिता given सीता कस्य कुले जाता जनकस्य ग रोहिणी कम अनुगच्छति रोहिणी शशिनम अनुगच्छति सीता कम अनुगच्छति रामम अनुगच्छति नारीणाम उत्तमा वधूः का सीता नारीणाम उत्तमा वधूः सीता so without looking to the answers also you should be able to answer this चतुर्थांशः yes or no okay right or false सत्यम असत्यम सत्य असत्य Okay, Sita Ramam na anugata apitu Ayodhyayameva sthitavati. Sita did not follow Rama, she stayed back in Ayodhya. Asatyam, false, cross it. Rame vanam gate sati, when Rama left to the forest, Janakasya kulam prastitavati. Sita Janakasya kulam prastitavati. Sita left to her father's home. Asatyam. Sita Ramasya Daita Asit. Sita was dear to Rama. Ataha, therefore, Kevalam Sita eva Ramam Anugata. Therefore, Sita alone followed Rama. Na kopi anyaha. Nobody else. False. Asatyam. Ramaha Sitam Vanam Gantum Nishidhya. Rama prevented Sita to go to the forest. Ekaki eva Vanam Prastitavan. He alone went to forest. Asatyam, cross. So all are crosses only. Sita Lakshmanasya, Lakshmanascha Ubhau api Ramam Anugatau. Sita and Lakshmana both followed Rama. Only one Satya, all are Asatya. So 1, 2, 4 are Asatyam, Asatyani Vakyani, Panchamam Vakyam, Satyam Vakyam. Panchamam Shahaidanim Yathodaharanam Riktam Sthanam Purayata. Sita Narinam Uttama Vadhuhu. Nariyaha. Bahuvachana is given, therefore in Bahuvachana that is derived. So try second one, Srinivas.
Manthara Strinam Kutila.
Yes, very good. Manthara Strinam Kutila. Yes, that's only. Strinam. 3. Dasharataha. Nrupanam. Nrupanam Druda Pratignaha. Yes, Ramaha Purushanam Uttamaha. Rama is the best among the men. Purushanam Uttamaha. 5. Lakshmanaha. No, how can it be? Bratuhu, Bratrohu, Bratrunam. Bratrunam Uttamaha. Ramaha. Oh, Shigra Kopa. Lakshmanaha Bratrunam Shigra Kopa. He gets easy angry. Easily irritable. Shigra Kopi. Sulabha Kopi, we say. Sulabha Kopa. Lakshmana Bhratrunam Shigra Kopaha. 6. Bharataha Bhratrunam Adarshaha. Kausalya Matrunam. Matuhu Matrohu Matrunam. Matrunam Jyeshtha. Kausalya Ramasya Matrunam Jyeshtha. Sumitra Matrunam Kanishtha. Ravanaha Rakshasanam Balishtaha. Shatrughnaha Bhratrunam Kanishtha. So everywhere Shashti. So if you know this is only nothing but a Shabda, yes. I'll just repeat it all. Strinam, second. Third one, Nrupanam. Fourth one, Purushanam. Fifth one, Bhratrunam. Sixth one, Bhratrunam. Seventh one, Matrunam. Then Sumitra. Eighth one, Matrunam. Ninth one, Rakshasanam. And the 10th one, Bhratrunam. So Bhratrunam is repeated several times. Vayam sthapayamah shubham bhuyat.